Okay, let's see how these casters came out here. I left it overnight. Okay. Everything's holding really nice. Holding very nice. Everything's nice and tight. The casters move back and forth like they're supposed to. And the blocks are holding on there really nice and tight. The flanges are holding very good with that super glue on the metal like that. So I would say that that's going to look okay. Look real good. Alright. The next part of the project now will be to make those drip oilers that will go on to the column here. Probably on one side I have to look and see where they're located at. And that's what's coming up next, make the drip oilers. Okay, now it's time to make the model size drip oilers. I have it drawn up here like this. I have the dimensions and everything. We'll probably make it out of 5/16 inch aluminum round rod. Now I could do this on my lathe with a single point tool here and do the profiling, but I'm going to have some little bit of fun here and make another piece of tooling. I'm going to make a cutter profile here that I can make in my milling machine and then use that to make two of these here drip oilers. I'll probably make this out of 1/2 inch tool steel maybe. I'll put that in my spin jig, in my indexing jig, and I will cut the profile out. Then I'll turn it so many degrees and cut the back relief and everything and make a nice cutter out of it. It'll be just a fun little exercise in making some more tooling again for a project. Okay, well that's coming up next now. coming down 94 thousandths. It'll come down. That's the depth of cut, 94 thousandths. And 167 thousandths from the edge here, over the edge of the end mill. 167 thousandths down, 94 thousandths. Okay, let me show you the profile here. See that? Okay. That's the profile that got cut here. Comes over 167 thousandths, drops down 94 thousandths, and that goes over another 167 thousandths, and then drops over 31 thousandths, and then it goes back over to here. And so what I'll do now is I'll flatten it around, and then I have to put the relief on where these here were cut out in the center here. I have to turn it to a certain angle, and then cut the reliefs for there as well. Okay, what I did was I turned the indexing to 110 degrees, and then by doing that I was able to cut the back relief back here. So what I need to do now is I need to make it fit on the lathe tool bit. So I'm going to turn it 180 degrees here now, and I'm going to take this down to about 1/4 of an inch down, and then that'll be able to fit on my tool post, my lathe, to use as a form tool. I'll take it down to about 50 thousandths at a time for right now. Okay, here it is at this point right here. Let's go ahead and take it out now and see how it looks. Here's a profile. Next up I'll cut that off there, and I'll put in my tool post and we'll see how that works on the lathe.